Hey guys, today I'm doing an acrylic infill redesign. So I'm just going to start by showing you how I remove my gems. Now these have been on 2 weeks and they were applied with Urban Nails gem gel. Now bearing in mind my client is very heavy-handed, she's got a child and she works on a railway, so she certainly puts these through their paces, and she's not lost one gem or one caviar bead. So gem gel, you rule. I love you. So I use my old cuticle nippers. So these are the ones that aren't sharp anymore, but they're too good to throw away. So I just use them by kind of cracking around the gems. And this cracks the gel, and then they kind of just flake off and ping off, rather than using my e-file, because I don't want to blunt any of my e-file bits, and I do use Swarovskis, so they don't break down very well, and I don't want them pinging at my clients. So cuticle nippers are the way to go for me. A couple of them were super stuck on, so I did get my file in just around the gems just to help break down that gel a little bit, and then I went back in with my cuticle nippers and just removed the rest of them gems. So I have already removed my client's previous design using my e-file, which I do show you in another video, so go back and check that out. I'm just going to start by pushing back my client's cuticles, and then I'm going to go in with my 180 grit file and just refine that shape back up and prep the natural nails. Now that's all done, I'm just going to come in with Rebecca Abernathy's dehydrator and just apply that to the natural nail, and then I'm going to come in with my acid primer and do the same. I'm going to be using Rebecca's Cover Pink today and a little bit of Flawless Clear. So I'm going to start with my little nail, and I'm just going to place that bead at the cuticle area and blend that down towards the free edge. And I'm just doing the same with that ring finger, just making sure that my apex and I've got my structure correct. And then I'm going to come in on the middle finger, and I am going to be still using the Cover Pink, but I'm just laying down a thin layer on this one because we're going to come in with a little bit of glitter to do a bit of a glitter design on this nail. I'm using Nail Sugar's Rose Gold fine glitter. Now this is just gorgeous. It doesn't pick up how much sparkle on the camera, but it is so pretty. And I'm using the Flawless Clear here just to pick up little bits of that glitter, and I'm making it into a triangle because this is going to go with our design towards the end. And then I'm going to come into that pointer finger and thumb, and I'm just going to infill with the Cover Pink on those as well. I'm now coming back to that middle nail, and I'm going to be using that Flawless Clear on there just to cap all that glitter. So I have already filed these nails, removed the dust, and I'm now coming in with Semilax Natural Pink. That's from their business range. And then this one is Semilax Light Pink, and that's also from their business range. And I'm just going to take my ombre brush, and I'm just going to ombre these two together. In between, I do wipe that brush just to remove that excess gel. And then the rest of the nails, except the middle finger, will be having a coat of the light pink, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to repeat that process, and once I'm happy with that ombre and how the other nails look, I'm going to pop that into the lamp again to cure for 30 seconds. So as you could probably see from my client's other hand, she has been practicing her henna. So we are doing henna inspired nail art on these, and I absolutely loved the outcome. So I'm using Semilax Black Design Gel. I'm using a short stumpy detail brush, and yeah, I just kind of go with it using small strokes. Yeah, and the design just flowed really. I just took inspiration from my client's hand, and we had some serious fun with it. So I hope you enjoy this part. The ring finger we're going to leave plain for the time being, because we are going to absolutely bling that nail up in a bit. But I'll let you enjoy watching me design this henna. So I think this nail is probably my favourite nail, and it doesn't really come together until right at the end. But yeah, out of all of them, I think this one was my favourite. So I cured all that for 2 minutes, and I'm now going to be using Semilac's Natural Pink just to colour block a few areas, and also Semilac's Pink Gold. And I just loved the way this worked, it looked so pretty. And then once I was happy with that, I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm top coating them all, so they're all going to be shiny except the ring finger. So that is with Rebecca's No Wipe Top Gloss, and then the ring finger is Semilac's Matte No Wipe Top Coat. And I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So this set really wouldn't be complete without a little bit of bling. So I'm using Urban Nails Gem Gel, and as always Crystal Parade Swarovski crystals, and I'm using an array of pinks and champagne colours for this. And me and my client decided that we wanted to do a bit of a henna style nail but out of the gems this time. So I'm using some silver caviar beads as well to outline each gem. So this was a little bit time consuming, but you will see come the end of it that it was worth every caviar bead and every gem, and it just looked absolutely beautiful. So once I'm happy with that placement, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 2 minutes. So I'm just going to go around them gems with a little bit of the matte top coat, just to make sure that they're all sealed and that none of that gem gel is showing, because I have got a matte base. Once I've done that, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to leave that to cool down, and then I'll apply some cuticle oil, and that is the end result, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was a super different set to do, but it was so fun and I absolutely loved it. So if you loved it as much as I did, please like and subscribe.